Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Brawl and that's Gaming, and as of today, we're really close to getting the update really soon. And as you know, the Brawl Pass is about to end. I am at currently 46. I wasn't currently really active, as you know. I was busy in June, so I was able to reach 46. If I would have had the Brawl Pass, I would have unlocked Gale, but I'm not quite interested on that. I'm rather interested in Surge, and as the whole update has started, the streetwear max and all. So basically, what the theme of this video, as you know, is going to be trying to finish as much as quests as possible in a video. Supposed to get I don't remember the amount of damage, but it was quite a lot of amount of damage. Yeah, I guess pretty much the whole thing sums up like that. And great news, guys! I'm definitely gonna buy the new Brawl Pass. It looks amazing. Therefore, I need to buy it. Dude, leave me alone. Chill, man. He wasted his whole super on that. I'm smiling. Can they see me if I use my emojis? I really wonder. No way, dude. No way. You getting nothing. Okay, this block's gonna pay. Okay, probably this bro this time. He knows what's up. You know I should get out of here for a while. This guy. Can they see me? Not sure about that. Nine power-ups Daryl, that's pretty great. Oh my god, oh my god. Should just get out of here before anything else happens. And it's great that that dynamite can stay there. That bull better stay out of my way. Wait, the Brock's gone? Okay. Probably dynamite got him. No way you're surviving here. Okay, you know what? I should have used my gadget. Yeah, the gadget would have been great. Well, yeah, we've got that now. They use some 60,000 damage. Oh, I mean, yeah. Oh man, I should have waited for it to come on. That would have been pretty beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, let's just see what else quests we have. Win 3 balls in Brawl Ball, 3 games, sorry. Or defeat 40 enemies. Let me just check for someone who's pretty close at finishing theirs. You know what? I'll just go for the Mortis for now. You know what? I'll go for Rockabilly Mortis because I actually had him. I actually bought him kind of recently. It had a pretty good discount as they were bringing it into archives. So it was like 39 gems. I'm like, that's pretty good, man. I guess it was a 150 gem skin. I'm pretty sure not 80. Oh my god, Shelly. Yeah. Take it all, man. I don't want it. I just want to survive. Just want to win a game. Oh my. Is that the same Shelly? Because if it is, oh my god. Come on, man. You can do better than that, right? Oh my god. These guys teaming. Come on. God damn. Yo, dude. You could have killed him. Nah. I'm not gonna let you take the best out of that. Oh no, this boy is gonna be annoying as hell now. Okay, you can have. Oh, I see them. I'm pretty sure this Frank's gonna come for all of them. Oh no. No, dude, go for that guy. Why are people being so obnoxious? This is a bad idea. I shouldn't be. Okay, I see potential. Okay, there's a ball. Okay, thanks for letting me even know where you are, man. That was really kind of you. Well, I just don't want to be stunned by Frank in the face by his super. I'm pretty sure he's that side. So I'm just gonna chill here for a while. Collect 3 trophies. I mean, like, this is the best way to get trophies, by the way, guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure any OG player, Brawl Stars player would know this. Camping is the best way to do it. I mean, like, if you're really in need of trophies. Why do I have the feeling of someone here? I should have gone, but never mind. I feel like a bull's just gonna show up and you're just gonna smack my face right off. Well, 5 people remaining. I guess it would give me 0 trophies if there's 4 people not left, then might be stuck with 0 trophies. Hopefully they'll duke it out and get some rest till then. Yeah, thanks for letting me know where you are, man. Oh, I knew it. Well, that's good news. Oh no. Well, 3rd place is pretty good. Well, that El Primo is gone. That's good. We've got 3 more games to go. It's going pretty smooth until now, so I have no regrets. Did have a loss. Fine with it. We'll keep going on. I'm just gonna act as though I never saw those boxes. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. What is he doing? Oh no. Yeah, spin on that, man. Never mess with the Mortis. He is kind of my number 1 favorite player. My second would be Daryl. I don't know, it's up to you guys about how you like them. You know, he's not much of a Brawl player, but sometimes he can be pretty good at Brawl Balls, and I'm not quite unhappy about it. Oh no, there's a bull charging right at me. Better stay somewhere here. Yep. Okay, it's showdown. Oh my gosh. I kind of might. I was about to die anyways, because how is it possible that... Oh my... Why do we have an angry face on? Whatever. We're gonna win. Camping for the win, man. Camping for the win, boys. Let's go. I don't know, I guess 5 quests for this video? 4 quests? I don't know. It really depends. God damn you, Nita. Nope. Should totally get out of here. Yep. Oh my god, dude. Chill. No heckin' way I'm dying to that. What the hell? This guy's just too good at ricocheting. Better heal up. I'm dead, mate. Now, what do you think, man? I'm gonna bait this guy into going that side. Lol, dude. Take the L. Crap. What do you think I'm gonna do, eh? Thought so. I'm gonna just chill here because there are 3 players probably. Okay, she's there. Like, oh my god. Dude, chill. Chill with that nonsense. No way I will survive. I mean, like, every single Nita in these games actually quite has their gadgets by now. I think I still have to get mine, but yeah, I can kind of sort of agree on that. Oh no, there's dynamite. Better watch out, man. Okay, there's El Primo right there. That's not good news. Should we go for those boxes? Because someone's probably right there. Okay, I'm pretty happy about that. That's good news. Yay, 2 more for me. I'm gonna camp here. There's a box right there. There's the El Primo right there. So, oh my god, what you doing, Nani? This Nani has no clue. Okay, it definitely has a clue. At least the update hasn't dropped the really fast now, because I would have been dead. Because Nani is getting some changes on the attack whenever whenever it shoots. Okay, El Primo killed Nani. Okay, whenever Nani shoots, it's kind of like ricochets at each other if it doesn't hit a target. Yeah, it kind of does that, and then there's the same repeat of the half diamond shape. There's an El Primo barely surviving. Totally want to get this guy. Oh my gosh, you dead, man. Yeah. I think we got 5 from the guy. Who else is here? Here? Someone here? Nope. Okay. Haha. Got my emoji right in time. For the dub. For the final win, I guess. Yeah. Yep. Honestly, the satisfying token, whatever it's called. It's kind of pretty satisfying, and I like it. We're really close, so I guess we should get to 50. Can we do that? Oh my gosh, it is quite hard. But for the 20 gems, I could have a better. I would have to spend less cash if I do something like that. Maybe next one I would have. Because I'm pretty sure that there's no more gems available, so that's my best bet. And let's see what else we've got for the quests. We've got Colt here. Anyone who's got 500, I would be pretty interested in that. Well, we've got 40 enemies, and that's gonna be pretty tough, man, just to fit in this video. Then we've got El Primo. Oh, we've got Piper too. Wait. Died, you see? No. Okay, never mind. Well, moving on, never mind, it's going kind of well. I might do Piper next, because Piper 10 wins, it seems okay. Well, I didn't want to die there. Yeah, I'm gonna spin right here. I just want to get these. Oh my god, I didn't hit any of them. I mean, like, any of them. You think it's got me cornered? What are you doing? No. Okay. Yep. Yeah, deserved it. Why do you guys go for the angry one? Probably just showing that I'm angry. Well, never mind. I didn't lose trophy soon. Okay with it. Just okay. Well, my goal would be, until this update ends, the Tara's Bazaar, I would be pretty happy to reach. Whoa, GG Max. I would be pretty happy to reach at least tier 50. 50 would be good enough. Crow's got his remodel and everything. It looks pretty nice. Whoa, we've got White Crow too. Nice. Pretty sure there's a checkpoint right there. And we don't want to mess up again. There's a ricochet there. Rico. Whoa, I got a crow. Oh my gosh. I got 2 crows. I actually feel proud of myself, finally. Getting 2 crows. It's tough, man. That super was a total waste. But I don't care about that much. Well, I think there was a jet assembly here. Well, that Pam is doing all the work for me. Okay, I'm pretty sure that no one's here. There's a Shelly. Yep, got that in her face. Oh, nice. Can't help it for some reason. Oh no. Oh, he's coming here. Whoa! No way! No way, I actually got him. That was actually fun. Well, let's see you in the other side of 5 more wins. Well, we are back with after completing my stuff. So basically, we've got 6 wins with Colt now, and let's see how it looks. We're pretty close to the next one, I guess. Yeah, 49 now. Just one more tier to go. We're okay. We've got some free stuff here. Let's check quests. So I think it was Piper. How much do we have? Yeah, this could. I think one more quest like this. So I'll just show one game with Piper, and then we will complete the mission, and sort of like that. We'll go like that, and I'll show you the whole video like that. And we could reach tier 50. 60 would be hard because I guess I told you June was some tough times for me, so I wasn't able to play or record, therefore. But don't worry, if this Brawl Pass, I will buy it and I will show you how it looks like, how amazing the pass looks like, how Surge is, how cool he is, how epic it is to buy the Brawl Pass and all. The good stuff. Should have gone up, probably, yeah. Or it's better to keep my distance. Oh, there's someone there. There's Nani. Oh my god. Now they know it's a Piper who misses her shots, I mean. No, at least I got that one right. Oof. That's pretty close. Ain't it? Nice. Yeah, get out of there. Whoa, you guys are teaming? Didn't know that. I'm pretty sure there's someone here. Okay, there's no one here. Just sit here. I'm not sure if I can trust the guy. So pretty much just camp my way here. Yep. Going to sit at the oh my god, there are 2 Nanis. Jeez. Yeah, that's how it's gonna go. So 3 more to go. I meant 8 more. and this one's done too. So let's just see if we've reached quite close to 50. Yeah, we're almost there. Okay, we've got a big box here, and now all we've got to do is, I guess, I'll do the El Primo, I guess. You know what? I changed my mind. We'll just go with 8-bit now. Should be good. I mean, like 8-bits. He's decent and good. I mean, like to win a game, you need to reach at least rank 4. Yeah. I guess 8-bit can do that. He's really fun. He is slow but really, really deadly. If you get hit by most of his shots, I mean, like it's game over, man. He's not that quite annoying, but then he's of the sort of type. Let me show I'm an 8-bit. The emoji. Well, she's going for those boxes. They come right behind her. And oh no, oh my god, I've been cornered by a bee and that thing. Jeez, man. Give me a break. I'm healing myself up. Make sure I'm safe here. Okay. We're doing good. This bee needs to go down. Okay, at least that. Yeah, at least the BAM could go down. Use some help here. Okay, at least now I have secured my win. For sure. I mean, like, come on, man, go for the Leon. What's wrong with you? Showdown, I'm like, dude, chill. You know you're gonna win. 11 power up Leon. Come on, I have no chance. Well, see you on the other side. 9 more to go. Well, as I actually said that we would be reaching here, so hopefully, now I might have finished it. I completed that part, so. Okay, we've reached here now. Woo. Yay. Do we get anything now? I'm not positive getting in something. Damn. Okay. That's cool. I mean, it's not bad. I got a few more trophies. I can give some power points to some other players I've got. Sorry, rollers I've got. I guess I'll be giving it to Sandy, or I don't know. I'll just make sure someone really gets it. Yeah, but then, yeah, sure. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Keep rolling. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay rolling.